Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today, we're taking a look at the Henley Dining Collection. This outdoor resin is hand-woven over an aluminium frame, so it's lightweight, strong, durable, and will not rust. It is easy to clean and low maintenance, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your garden. This combination of materials is perfect for all weathers. The natural palette is ideal for both traditional and modern garden spaces. In the collection is the 2-seat bistro, the 4-seat round, which comes with a 2.5 metre round parasol and 15 kilogram base, the 6-seat round with Lazy Susan, which comes with a 3 metre round parasol and 15 kilogram base, and the 8-seat elliptical set with Lazy Susan, which also comes with a 3 metre round parasol and 15 kilogram base. All sets come with Hartman's Weatherready cushions. The weather-resistant fabric simply allows water to bead and run off. During heavier and persistent rain, the water penetrates through the seams, flow through the permeable fibres, and exit through the mesh base. Drying times vary due to local conditions. All cushions have removable covers and are machine washable. For additional comfort, we've added non-slip mats under all of our cushions, and resin feet are used on the base of each leg to ensure stability and avoid scratching to patios and terraces. The Tuscan ceramic glass top offers an aesthetically pleasing finish, whilst also ensuring durability. It is tempered, easy to clean, and boasts a heat and scratch-resistant surface. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.